Huh?
But imagine how tired we are. Imagine how tired we are.
I was born a dog. I identify as a dog. But according to my mom, it's just a baby.
Put an ice cube on your pet to see their reaction.
Huh?
Shit.
This gorgeous specimen has one very comical personality. This is Leo, and he's a 2-year-old Alaskan Malamute. After he was done stealing my shoes, I bathed him in our Girl with the Dogs de-shedding shampoo and conditioner. Believed to be descendants of the domesticated wolf dogs, the Malamute's breed name derived from the Malamute Inuit people who resided in northwestern Alaska. Although used mostly as sled dogs, these dogs were also used to carry heavy loads during the summer months, locate seal breathing holes in the ice, and distract bears during hunts. If you're interested in a Malamute, know that these dogs are instinctual diggers. In Alaska, in order to stay warm after their runs, they will dig large holes in the snow to sleep in. Today, these guys like to dig large holes in our gardens to keep cool, and good luck training them otherwise, because they are as stubborn as a mule. I spray him down in our quick dry spray leave-in conditioner, and I brush that through his coat. And then I attempt to blow dry him with the high-velocity dryer. His personality went from must destroy air snake to okay, this isn't so bad, to oh, right there, that's the spot. I came to the conclusion that Leo was having an identity crisis. He didn't know whether he was a dog or in fact a cat.
Still kind of damp in your chest because it was impossible to blow dry it. Excuse me, sir. No punching.
toy. This is the most playful Malamute I've ever met in my life.
Watch your beautiful face, honey.
Oh my god. I can't see it.
Leo! That!
Look at him.
No!
Leo said fluff off to having his paws shaved, and he'd like to go outside to play. I sprayed him down in our jumping jelly bean cologne. And this guy is ready to destroy my yard. Yes, he may have been a bit neurotic, but at least he felt that my services were impeccable. Thank
Oh my god, she's so fat.
Don't say that to my cat. She is not fat. Her primordial pouch hangs low.
She's fat.
No.
What are you most excited for? Open your presents? Yeah? Hi, Rogi. Oh, don't hit her. I'm her mama too. She can do what she wants. You ready to go? Are you? You look handsome. You got your bath and everything. You are handsome. We're gonna go in like 5 minutes. What time is it? Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna open presents, have breakfast, all that. And then the other family's gonna come over tonight. Yeah. Yeah. Hey! You don't jump on me. You're so excited you just wanted to give me a hug?
Go to sleep. As soon as your eyes shut, I'm gonna punch you square in the face.
We had the kids. We have Mia, Daddy, and we had a dog. A fat dog. And he couldn't make it. I'm sorry, that is... I'm sorry. Barley.